Hello everyone, welcome to our first week project number 2. This is Miss Quito, your English teacher. Topic: what can we find in outdoor space? Objective: students will understand that health, culture, and entertainment are fundamental in life and they are manifested through art and culture. Answer these questions before starting. First one. How much do you know about the diversity of life in our planet and beyond our world? In this first question, you have, in Spanish, ¿qué es lo que tú sabes acerca de la diversidad de la vida en nuestro planeta y más allá de nuestro planeta? So you're going to answer this question according to your own idea. So you're going to write down your thoughts about the diversity of life in our planet, and you're going to imagine how it would be beyond our world. Okay, so let's see the example. I answer this. This is my example. Human beings, plants, animals represent the diversity of life in our planet. Beyond our world, the existence of life is unknown. This is just an example. You're going to answer this question with your own ideas. Next one. What do you know about the origin of life? Okay, let's see the example. This is my personal answer. ¿Qué es lo que tú sabes acerca del origen de la vida? What are your previous knowledge about this topic? This is my answer. There are some theories related to the origin of life. For example, one of these states that life started with an electrical spark. You are going to answer with your own ideas about what do you think respect to the origin of life. Okay, and you're going to write down your personal answer. These answers are just examples. You don't need to copy them in your notebook. Remember that you are going to answer with your own ideas. Before reading the passage Beyond Our World, look at the following pictures and choose the correct word from the word bank. Over here you have the word bank. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 words, new vocabulary words, and we have the definitions for each of them. So we have the first one, isolated, separate from others, emptiness, containing nothing, device, an object, machine, or piece of equipment that has been made for some special purpose, shaped, a definite form or arrangement of something, mindset, a particular way of thinking, a person's attitude or set of opinions about something, accurately, done in a way that is free from mistakes or errors. Over here we have the definitions in English, but if you don't understand the definitions, please look at the words on your dictionary. Now we're going to match which word corresponds to each picture. We're going to match the words, the vocabulary words, with the pictures. We just have 5 pictures and 6 words. So we need to focus and match correctly the word with the picture, okay? So, for example, we have over here the word isolated, separate from others. separado de otros, solo, isolated. Which of these pictures represent that definition? Yeah, this one, the first one, because this little tree is isolated. There is nothing around it. Okay, so we're going to write over here, isolated. And then you're going to complete with the rest of the pictures, okay? Listen to the following text and pay attention to the meaning and pronunciation of the words. Then, read the following passage aloud for your classmates, teacher, or parents. Again, pay attention to the meaning while you practice the correct pronunciation and intonation. This is the reading that we're going to listen right now. These are the words that you have to focus because they were in the previous exercise. You have to look for the meaning in the context. These are the new vocabulary words. Okay, so we have isolated, emptiness, devices, shaped, mindsets, accurately. And you're going to follow the reading. You're going to listen the pronunciation, the intonation, and then you're going to play it again the audio in order you can practice the correct pronunciation and intonation, please, as many times you need. So let's start with the listening.
Beyond our world. From our planet, outer space starts about 100 kilometers above the surface. Farther away, there are only isolated particles of gas and dust in the emptiness of the universe. Some regions have planets and galaxies. Some scientists say that there is a radiation in space, but we cannot see it. Now we have some powerful devices that help us see what is out there. Humans have been curious about outer space since they noticed there was something beyond the Earth. The study of the stars was the foundation of past cultures and civilizations. Since the sky was always changing, it caused fascination and curiosity. People noticed patterns in the sun and moon, also in the stars and planets. Astronomy shaped their beliefs and mindsets. The Babylonians were one of the first civilizations to register the movements of the moon and sun. A brilliant Persian astronomer invented a giant device that accurately calculated the Earth's axis.
Okay, so now I'm going to repeat the audio and we are going to practice the pronunciation as I pointing each word. Okay, please pay attention to the pronunciation and intonation. Let's start again.
Beyond our world. From our planet, outer space starts about 100 kilometers above the surface. Farther away, there are only isolated particles of gas and dust in the emptiness of the universe. Some regions have planets and galaxies. Some scientists say that there is a radiation in space, but we cannot see it. Now we have some powerful devices that help us see what is out there. Humans have been curious about outer space since they noticed there was something beyond the Earth. The study of the stars was the foundation of past cultures and civilizations. Since the sky was always changing, it caused fascination and curiosity. People noticed patterns in the sun and moon, also in the stars and planets. Astronomy shaped their beliefs and mindsets. The Babylonians were one of the first civilizations to register the movements of the moon and sun. A brilliant Persian astronomer invented a giant device that accurately calculated the Earth's axis.
Please keep in practice, okay? Answer the following question. How does life in outer space resemble life on our planet? Write 3 possible similarities. In this question, we're going to think about 3 possible similarities that life in outer space have with our life in our planet. Okay, so in Spanish it says, ¿de qué manera la vida en el espacio exterior se parece a la vida en nuestro planeta? Escribe 3 similitudes posibles. Okay, so we are going to suppose these are bias. Okay, we are going to imagine. So now this is my example. There could probably be animals too. I consider, I imagine, I think that in outer space there could probably be animals on our planet. Okay, so you can talk about the food, the reproduction, or you can talk about, for example, the society, how does it structure. I don't know. You're going to think about those aspects, and then you're going to write 3 possible similarities. Okay, you're going to compare what are the similarities between the outer space and our planet. Okay, in life context. We finished our lesson, so now it's your turn. Keep going, guys. You can do all the activities that we have for this week. Okay, so take care and see you soon. Bye bye, guys.